Okay, that last one, whoopsie, I guess I'll upload it too. Shoopadoodle-doop. I didn't mean to, end it there. I meant to pause, so I guess that means I was the first person to accidentally end a video this year, so whoopsie. But I am also the first person to do this year, and that is this. But yeah, this might keep you off. Oh, what's this? A whoopee cushion. Wait, a whoopee. Oh, a whoop. A whoop. A whoopee cushion. What could I be doing with that? Oh man, I sure gotta sit. That's Wait, I gotta make sure. Oh man, sure gotta sit. Oh no! I'm the first person this year to purposefully get whoopee cushioned on a green plastic chair with metal legs. Oh no! And then do this. Nah, that too. Wait, what? Both the combined and just the singular before one. Yes. I don't know. Stupid idiot. Oh, I didn't pause. I want to see if I can do that in one take. Oh man, gotta sit. Okay, okay, that worked. Whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna. Oh darn. Anyways, that's all. So, yippee. Oh no, I have legs now. That's bad.